glad you're not holding the whole pole. Reel. Come on, I see him.
Oh, I can't wait
Reel.
to see.
Oh no, I'm so excited.
Reel. Look over the side. Reel.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, I see him. Look, you're so bad. Reel. 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 Come on, reel.
Come on, Mark. I need that one for bait.
Hold on. Reel. Come on. Okay, you can almost stop. Hang on. Look, good golly.
Can we see?
Hang on. Don't reel, don't reel. Now look over. Look over and then go puke. Nice fish, huh? Okay, I want to pull it. I want to put the rod in the rod holder. Right down the side of the boat. Right down in there. All the way down in there. Okay, put your thumbs on the line. I'm going to pull a little bit out. Let me have a little bit. Okay, stop it. Okay, now look at the fish real quick and then oh, good God. If it's bigger than you, you got to go in, Richard. Sorry. I'm looking at him for a minute. Let them come over and they can shake him out. Or you can hold the line. You can hold this line. Do not let him get out of your hands. I think I'd rather. Okay. Defer to expert. All right, switch over to somebody else.
Okay, I want to see because I got the camera. Oh my heavens, it's a monster. Oh my gosh, he is humongous. Oh my word. Oh my gosh, half of him is under the boat.
That looked like a brook trout.
Oh my gosh. Richard, if you're going to use it.
On the inside of it? Yeah. I'll see what that one is and I'll rig these back up. Don't get a bite. Well, catch the fish. Yeah, just a little nibble, just like lift up on it slow.
Oh, you did? Oh my gosh, you got one. You got away.
Right here.
Oh, something's under the boat. I think he got me too.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on.
Okay. Want me to let some line out?
No.
Huh?
No, he's all right.
You're good.
Stole my fish, didn't you, Nicholas?
He's right. I think you just wrapped around it.
One of the kings, huh?
He's going to be a king right see a
Small
porgy or something. Porgy or a snapper of some kind. It is a damn blue runner. That's good, don't about that much line. Blue runner.